What's up, y'all? It's 12 o'clock here with another episode, Just the Tip. Next time you're doing a woodworking project, this might be something that will interest you. It's important to know which way your saw pulls. And what I mean is which way this blade rotates. Now this blade rotates this way. So when you set this board down here, it's going to go into the top, basically, and pull down through the board and out the bottom. Now because it pulls out the bottom, it actually can tear the fibers, especially when you go against the grain. So if you cut with the grain, it doesn't do it really as bad. But if you go against the grain, you can tell where your saw tore it up. Now for this one, it's going to tear up the bottom of the board. So if you're good, whichever face is your good face, and you can see what it does right there. But whichever face you want to face out, you put on the top and then you make the cut, because it's going to do this to the back. It's going to tear that board up because you're going against the grain, and that's just... Now you can get a saw blade that has more teeth and it doesn't do it as bad, but there's always that chance. So when you're cutting things, on my miter saw, it's the other way. On my miter saw, because of the way it turns this way and it kicks up. So it actually tears the board on the top. So your good side you want down when you're cutting on my miter saw. But when you're cutting on here on this particular table saw, if you cut this way, just like this, then this is going to be your good side, and it's going to do that to the bottom side. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're cutting boards. You want it to turn out nice like this, especially if you're going to paint it, because even if you sand this, it's already chipped away. So it's gone, it's chipped away. There's no fixing that unless you go back and Bondo it and stuff. So I actually had to do that on a project not too long ago because I flipped the board the wrong way when I screwed it in. Well, that's it, guys. Maybe that'll help you next time you go to put a woodworking project together. Determine which way that blade pulls. Put your good side on the side that's not going to get torn up. Well, that's it, guys. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.